me hollering at the moon.
What's going on, guys? Welcome to our YouTube channel. My name is Chris.
And I'm Leo, and we are
the Drinking Guys. And on this episode, we're actually going to be discussing a cocktail that almost needs no introduction, and that is the margarita.
A Mexican classic sour that is honestly ageless. This cocktail, or at least the version I'm going to be making, is going to be actually credited to Margaret Sames, which in 1948, she put her two favorite spirits together, and those are Cointreau and tequila.
Now, we all know what tequila is, but Cointreau, it's actually a spirit made from bitter and sweet orange peels, giving it its balanced orange taste. Now, guys, for this cocktail, what you're gonna need is a jigger, a strainer, a shaker, and maracas. Maracas are gonna be optional.
So I'm gonna be making the original recipe.
And I'm gonna be making more of a modern take on it, which you'll find in most restaurants nowadays.
Onto the cocktail.
Wait. What we're actually going to be doing before the cocktail, we were actually able to get the TEREMANA Tequila, the Rock's new tequila. So he's going to be making it with the Blanco, and I'm actually going to be making it with the Reposado. But let's try it out first, because we haven't tried this thing.
That's right, we should definitely.
All right.
It does smell good. Cheers, man. Wow.
That's pretty good.
Wow, so honestly, this is actually the first time we're trying this.
Yes.
This is a brand new bottle, and I personally hadn't tried the Teremana. You hadn't tried it either, Chris, right?
No, this is pretty good.
Yeah, man, it really does taste like premium tequila, to be honest with you guys. So, wow.
Yes.
You know what?
That was
the nose on the Blanco, it's a little it's sweeter, and
yes.
you know, I actually like the nose on the Blanco a little more. It's round of a fucking applause, man.
And onto cocktails. Remember to chill your glass. Remember how we mentioned before, hot plate, hot food, cold glass, cold drink.
Yes.
Just before you chill your glass, if you're gonna rim your cocktail, you can either do it, apply some ice to it. But what we did, we actually just put the actual rim against the line. You can do it with salt, sugar, whatever you like. You can definitely get creative.
That's right. He's actually doing his with salt. I'm doing mine no salt.
Let's do it.
Let's do it. Let's start with an ounce of lime. I'm gonna do an ounce of Cointreau.
And I'm actually gonna do 3/4 of an ounce of Cointreau and half an ounce of the agave syrup. So it'll be more of a sweet take on it, which is what you'll find, as I mentioned before, what you'll find in most restaurants. Then I'm gonna do half an ounce of the agave. Again, it'll be on the sweeter side.
So the best part, the tequila.
That's right, we're gonna do 2 ounces.
Ice time.
Real quick. There you go.
And good for me. And like icy. I'm gonna pour mine into fresh ice, and you're actually gonna.
I'm not gonna use the strainer for this one.
There you go.
Perfect.
So we're gonna put a little lime as a garnish. But bam, bada boom. There it is. And now we drink, baby.
That's right. And on to the best part.
Bam.
Ooh.
It's good.
Wow, dude.
It's good.
It's actually, yeah, it is very good. Oh my God.
I'm not surprised there because the tequila tastes amazing.
Yeah, the tequila is great.
Wow.
Holy shit. And with the agave, it gives it that sweetness. Oh man, it's great.
Yeah, man. I want to try yours.
No, you're not ready. You're not ready.
No?
You're not ready. It's good. That one. I like that one. But again, I'm more of on the sweeter side. So what are you tasting, man?
So on my end over here, I taste, mine is straight to the point. You get agave, obviously, from the tequila. Yeah. You have a little bit of sourness.
And just to cut you off really quick, agave is the plant where tequila is made from. Okay?
It looks like a little pineapple. They like chop it up.
That's right. Yep. Tasty notes.
Going back to the tasting notes.
Yeah.
So like I said, agave, a little bit of sourness. That citrus coming through.
Yeah.
And then I taste some of that orange from the Cointreau. Definitely. Yeah. So you can't go wrong with this.
Oh my God.
How's the ice?
The ice is great. The ice is great.
The ice is great.
Tequila is amazing. It is really, really good.
Mm-hmm.
You know, it is a reposado, so you are aging it for a little bit. You know, same thing that you would get from any margarita, but you get to do it at home.
Yeah.
With prime tequila and yeah, just simple ingredients
Correct.
that you already have in your pantry.
You guys that don't know, tequila is gonna be 0 carbs, 0 sugars.
Yeah.
It has the least amount of sugars. If you have tequila with soda and a little bit of lime, that would be the healthiest cocktail you can drink, actually.
If I'm not mistaken, it is the least calories per ounce that you can.
It really is. People think it's
It is
vodka
like
because it
70
tastes
something,
like nothing.
70 something calories per ounce.
It's
Don't
us.
quote me on it.
People think it's vodka. People think it's vodka
And it isn't,
or
it's
gin,
tequila.
and they think it's vodka because it tastes like nothing. And says it's neutral, and it takes all the they take all the flavor out, they filter all the
is really
flavor out. But it's not. It's no. It's made out of
It's
potato, bro.
It's
It's made out of potato. We have a lot more fire content heading your way, so make sure to subscribe and hit the like button.
That's right, or smash it if you're into those kind of things. I know, Sophia, you're not subscribed. I know you're not subscribed, Sophia. So you better hit that subscribe button. All right.
Guys, make sure to click on the video next to me, right over here, right over my right
Yeah.
shoulder. Bam,
Yeah.
your left side.
That's right.
Click on it. Click on it now.